right, guys, so looking at that daily Hiva sequence that we were working last time, just to go over the first two techniques and daily Hiva in general. I'm setting this up, I'm grabbing the ankle. You can grab the fabric, but I prefer the actual ankle because it translates to no-gi. I'm gonna sit my butt down on his foot, so I want my weight on top of him, and the daily Hiva hook is here. And this is a shallow hook or a short hook. You can also go here for a longer hook, but this is where we're going to start for now and where most people maintain daily Hiva from. This foot is critically important that it has to post somewhere, it has to create a frame, has to create a contrary force to this one. This is a pulling force with this hook. This is a pushing force. We're going to work this on the knee for right now, but if our partner's leaned over, or partner's leaned over, we could twist it on the shoulder or bicep. It's a myriad of different places you can work that. So short hook for right now. That first sweep that we did is we have this cross grip. We're bringing this foot out and posting on his hip. This foot goes behind his knee, and I'm going to stabilize his ankle here. I'm going to push with this foot, pull with this foot, and come up. That was the first one. The second one that we did was the ball and chain. So this one we go from that traditional daily Hiva here, and we're going to use our grip here and our abdominal muscles to go up to the sitting position. This arm weaves behind his knee. Transfer this grip to the same side, so pulling down, and I feed this sleeve to this hand. I'm going to grab his collar here and block his foot, and I'm pulling this way. Now it's important when we're practicing this or in competition or anything else, you want to go into this. You want to roll. Sam wants to roll into this fall, or if he's really uncomfortable doing that, he wants to go to his knee here. It's not a great habit to get into, but what he really doesn't want to do, don't do this. So we're here, right? He doesn't want to lift his head up and try and, as he's falling, resist this and land straight on his chin or his face, right? You can hurt your neck, you can hurt all sorts of things. He doesn't want to land on his shoulder straight on. He wants to roll into that. Time here as I pull down, right? He goes in, or he goes with the force of the fall. So those, if you weren't here for those classes, those are the two I want you to start with. This third one is off of the ball and chain as an alternative. So again, grabbing the heel, sitting down, short hook, post, and cross side grip. Here I'm going to go to a long hook, and I'm gonna post this foot, right? So this foot comes off of his knee now and posts here on the ground. And I'm going to start to kick this leg back to get him to take this step, right? This foot swings around, so from here, goes over his arm, and hooks behind his hamstring here. Now I can let go, sit up and grab his belt. I'm going to pull myself to the middle. I'm going to kick my legs up, and I'm going to pull here. There's my back hook. So one more time on that. Short hook, post, long hook, this foot goes to the floor. I'm going to start pushing here, so I get him to take this step. This leg circles over, grab the belt, pull myself to the middle, push, back. So if you haven't done any of these yet, start with that very first one. And if you're here for those two classes, you can do the second, the ball and chain and that back take. Sound good? All right, hands up.
Question.
Yes.
Sorry about that.
Yeah.
So, but you don't let go of the left leg of the when you have hold the heel until the very end, right? So keep it until you, for example, pass it.
You're talking about on the ball and chain specifically, or just on all of them?
The back take.
Oh, on the back take.
Yeah, you change the angle. You pull on your hook. You change the angle, and now when you get up, your left arm is still holding the heel, right? Or you can actually reach to the belt, right?
That's a good question. You could use this. This is, I guess, would be a preference. I don't know that there's truly a wrong here. I don't know that I would reach here. I would come here and pull myself to the middle and let go. Unless you have any other thoughts, or
no, I mean if you're just keeping the heel still, like maybe in the gi it's better. Like if you're still maintaining the grip of the pants, then probably it's better.
Yeah.
Just trying to adapt it to them.
Sure. Yeah. No, that's fair. I see where I'm picking up what you're putting down. All right, guys, let's give it a try. Hands up. 1, 2.